What's up, everybody? What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is actually my first video, so let's get it. Let's get it. So I just got these dunks off of eBay, some Nike SB high top dunks. Super nice shoe. I bought these to skate in, so I'm gonna skate them, but I'm gonna try to restore them before I do anything. So we got a bunch of scuff marks. We got the bottom yellowed. It's a beat up shoe. For skating, it's not beat up whatsoever. But I'm gonna try to get them back to pristine. Let's check out the other one. Same thing, super dirty, super dirty. But hey, man, you try something, you get it done. I might do another one. So I'm gonna try to unyellow everything, make it look pretty much brand new. We got some so we got a lot of work to do, guys. So wish me luck.
So I actually got this off of Amazon. I was trying to get the FZ 150. I don't know if you guys see him on YouTube, but yeah, I got this is the bootleg version. So I don't think it's that great, to be honest, but it did what it had to do. Putting them in the wash, put them in for about 15 minutes on the cold cycle, and I also put in a little Tide Pod. I didn't put it in, but I had already painted the unyellowing liquid. So this is just me putting the plastic on, and yeah, and then putting the tape.
All right, guys. Moment of truth. I have been trying to unyellow these shoes for about 4 days now. I've gone through 4 different boxes. I finally decided yesterday to get the I still don't got like a real ice box. I kind of made my own, like pretty cheap, honestly, less than like 20 bucks. But I think it worked. So let's check it out. I've had this in there since last night. So let's check it out. I think we're gonna be good to go. Off. I'm gonna turn it off. Remember, remove this. All right, and let's see. Ooh, it's looking good, not too bad. All right, guys, so it's been about a week. I've been trying to get these shoes back to the original, at least as original as I could get them. It's been much harder than I thought. Had a whole slew of issues with the icebox, which is what makes the unyellowing of the bottoms. I couldn't find any leather filler. I went to Walmart. I went to like 5 different Walmarts. I went to Michael's. literally anywhere I went, they just don't sell leather filler. It was super weird, super weird. So I bought one that I thought was the right thing. It ended up not being it. It was just like glue. So then I ordered it from Amazon, which I should have probably done from the beginning. It got here next day. And then, yeah, so then I did it, but I see, like, the thing is with me, like, when it comes to like doing things, I usually do it just like see if I can do it, and then once I'm wrong, I'm like, I'm wrong. So what I did wrong was I just actually put a lot on the shoes, so it became very thick, so the actual leather filler wasn't like setting properly. And then I learned you have to apply like thin layers, and like, you know, you layer them on top, you let the thin layer dry, and then you put the next one on top. So yeah, I mean, I did it. I think it went pretty well. I ended up painting the shoes. I got this acrylic finisher, this matte acrylic finisher by Angelus, as well as some white leather paint. And look, I mean, this is the final product. Honestly, I don't want to keep going with this. If I really wanted to, like, I could make these a little bit better, but again, I did buy these for skateboarding, so I am gonna skate them. So they're gonna get pretty beat up in like the next few days. But yeah, let's check them out. This is the right shoe. You know, this is after the paint and everything. You know, I tried to unyellow them as best as I could. Still not perfect, but hey, you know, looks a lot better than they did originally. And then we got the left shoe. So honestly, I don't think it's that bad for my first time. So yeah, you know, I'm trying to get some new ones when I get the chance. But you know, thank you guys for being here, and thank you, like and subscribe. This is my first video. We're gonna keep it going, you know, and make it happen. Thank you. It's like